Guys, technically it's day 2 of me doing this vlogging for a month thing, and it's 2:21 in the morning, a.m., and I just got finished feeding the rabbits, the baby bunnies, and I put the mom outside. Set my alarm for 6:30, 6:45, and 7. Because 7 is when I need to technically feed them again, since I got finished feeding them around 2:20 actually. Yeah, I also told my mom to wake me up whenever she leaves for work at 7. So hopefully she remembers. I left her a note on the sink just in case. It's really hard not to see the note. But this is the start of the vlog. So, sorry it's kind of sleepy. I'm really sleepy. Gotta get up in 4 hours. Woohoo! Farming life. You know what I mean? If you have a farm. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I will see you guys later on today. Hey guys, holy crap, it's dark. Okay. Hey guys, Luna Marie Wolf here, and this is day 2 of the vlog. I know I vlogged earlier this morning at like 2 in the morning, but it is now 4 in the afternoon, and I've basically just been laying around, getting up, feeding the bunnies, stuff like that. I actually have to feed the bunnies, and then I will get ready on, I'll have to start doing this long list of chores I gotta do today. I was planning to either go to the park or go to a pet shop today. Me and my sister were gonna ride our bikes, but Mom came home sick from work, so we weren't able to go out, and so we have to take care of her. So after I feed the bunnies, I'm gonna get this long list of chores done that I have to do. And I will see you guys later. So I was going to go outside and work on the compost that we had out there, but I went out there and there were so many overhanging branches that I was literally breaking branches and tying branches together, like crisscrossing them. I have to stand in my window or otherwise I don't get good lighting. Hold on, let me get rid of the curtain. Okay. But I went out there were so many overhanging branches and there were like small little bushes everywhere where the compost was, and so I was like, ugh. I have to wait for my dad to come home so I can use his little power tools to get rid of the branches and stuff like that. And then whenever I went out there and I started breaking the branches, I looked down at my legs and there was a cloud of mosquitoes eating at me. I was like smacking them like crazy. It was insane. So I'm gonna do the other things. That don't require me to go outside, because that was kind of crazy. Pretty sure some of them followed me inside as well, so I have to watch out for that. So I'll just have to get back with you guys later. I just wanted to show you these baby bunnies. I'm gonna cover them just for a little bit. They'll be covered right back up right in a minute. I gotta clean out their bed tomorrow. Just covering little fuzz. Look how tiny they are. Look how big this one is. Like if I set, hold on, let me set you over here, and let me get the smallest one. You have a little, come here. Look at the size difference. And look at their tiny little ears. In 3 days, they will be opening up their eyes. Because usually at 10 days, they open up their little eyes. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so freaking excited. This will be our first litter of baby bunnies to actually survive. And it's going to be so worth it. Oh, look at little Gray. Oh, okay, so I haven't told you guys the names. This one is Little Cheese. This one right here is Spaz. We don't have a name for this little guy yet. And this guy is Elliot Jr. He is named after his dad, or her dad. And this one's Little Gray. Because, yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but, hold on, let me get him. Let me get her out. Or him or her. I don't know if you guys can tell, but Little Gray has an ombre going on. Like, he goes from white. What are you trying to suck on my finger? He goes from white and he ombres, or he goes from white and it slowly goes into gray. It's really cool because he has like a full gray. You guys okay? Because he has a full gray. Oh, he fell asleep in my hand. Oh my goodness. It's so adorable. But he has a full gray head, and it goes to white and then back to gray. I'm gonna let him sleep down there with his siblings. Okay? Look how cute they are. Wait, where's Cheese? Cheese. Good little Cheese. Oh, and this one is Spaz, if I didn't say earlier. This one's Spaz. Yeah. Oh, I do know what we named this one. We named it, but I forgot what the name was. This one is Drowsy, because every time I try to feed little Drowsy, he falls asleep. She falls asleep. Look at how cute she is. They feel like velvet. Like, they feel little bitty fuzzy. They're so cute. Look at them. Oh my goodness, look at it, look at their little ears. It has little gray tip ears just like your mom. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I wonder, whoa, Little Gray, you okay? Okay, I think that means to cover them up. And I can get back to cleaning my room. Oh, hey guys, if you guys will just comment down below, and if you guys would just comment down below, I will be happy, and you guys can tell me if you think that the rabbits are adorable or not. I think they are adorable, but others may not think so. So, thank you guys for commenting if you did, because I would like that. I was going to end the vlog. This is me ending today's vlog. I was cleaning up my room and I was rearranging stuff in my room, and I got caught up in it, and I glanced at the clock and it said it was 1:24 in the morning. So this is a brand new day, so I am so sorry for not ending the vlog sooner. I have 2 Cokes there. But see, I was just cleaning and getting everything just sorted and organized and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I fed the baby bunnies. They're good. I moved the fish tank into my closet. I moved my clothes into this closet over here. But whenever I get this all finished, I will definitely do a vlog over that. It's most likely going to be tomorrow. Well, it's going to be the next vlog after this one that I start doing that. So thank you guys for watching. I'm so sorry for not ending it sooner. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!